Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. Today I want to tell you about my daily routine. My day usually starts early in the morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock. When I wake up, I feel a little sleepy. I open my eyes, stretch my arms, and sit up in my bed. I look outside my window. The morning sky is bright and beautiful. Birds are singing in the trees. After waking up, I make my bed. I fold the blanket and arrange the pillows. Then I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. Cold water helps me feel fresh and awake. I look in the mirror and smile because a new day has started. Next, I take a shower. Warm water feels relaxing in the morning. After my shower, I wear clean clothes for the day. My daily routine is the things I do every day from morning to night. After changing, I comb my hair. I feel happy. After getting ready, I go to the kitchen.
Good morning, sweetie. Breakfast is ready.
Morning, Mom. It smells great.
I made your favorite pancakes. Here you go, sweetie.
Wow, thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
It looks so good.
Enjoy it.
Sometimes we eat eggs, bread, and milk. Sometimes we eat paratha and tea. Breakfast is very important because it gives us energy for the day. I sit at the table with my family. We talk and laugh while eating. After breakfast, I pack my school bag. I check my books, notebooks, and pens. I make sure everything is ready. Then I put on my shoes and take my bag. Before leaving the house, I say goodbye to my family.
Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad.
Have a good day, sweetie.
See you later.
Sometimes I walk to school and sometimes I take a bus. I enjoy looking at the streets, trees, and people while traveling. When I arrive at school, I meet my friends. We greet each other and talk about our morning. Our classes start soon. My teachers explain many interesting things.
Okay, class.
We learn
Let's simplify
English,
this equation.
science,
3
math,
equals
and
x minus
history.
2. So, x
Sometimes
must be
the
5.
lessons are difficult, but I try my best to listen carefully and understand. During class, I write notes in my notebook. I also answer questions when the teacher asks something.
Who can name the largest planet?
Jupiter. It's the biggest planet in our solar system.
After some classes, it is break time. Break time is one of my favorite moments at school. My friends and I sit together and eat snacks. Sometimes we bring sandwiches, fruits, or biscuits.
This sandwich is the best.
We
Yeah, the
laugh,
playground's
talk,
awesome
and
today.
share
Look,
stories.
the swings are free. This is so good, right? Here, try one. Thanks. Delicious.
It is always fun to spend time with friends. Break time is one of my favorite moments at school. After break time, we go back to our classrooms.
All right, class. Watch what happens when I add a few drops.
Wow, it's bubbling more.
Exactly.
Sometimes we do group activities. Sometimes we read books or solve problems.
Okay, so if we combine these variables here,
Right, and then we can isolate x. Yes, and the graph matches.
Learning new things makes me happy. I believe education is very important for our future. After school ends, I return home.
Bye, everyone.
See ya.
I feel a little tired, but I am also happy. When I arrive home, my mother asks about my day.
Hi, Mom.
I'm home.
Welcome home, sweetie. I missed you.
I missed you too.
I tell her about my classes, my friends, and what I learned. Then I eat lunch with my family. After lunch, I take a short rest. Sometimes I lie down on my bed for a few minutes. After resting, I start doing my homework. Homework helps me practice what I learned at school. I try to finish my homework carefully. Sometimes it takes 1 hour. Sometimes it takes longer. In the evening, I like to spend time outside. Sometimes I go to the park near my house. I walk on the grass and enjoy the fresh air. Children are playing. Sometimes I also play badminton with my friends. We laugh and run around the park. Birds are flying and the sunset looks beautiful. After coming home from the park, I spend some time doing my hobbies. Sometimes I read books. Sometimes I draw pictures in my notebook. Sometimes I listen to music. These hobbies help me relax after a busy day. At night, my family sits together for dinner. Dinner is a special time for us because we talk about our day. My father shares stories from his work. My mother talks about the house and family. We enjoy eating together and laughing. After dinner, I help my mother clean the table. Then I prepare my bag for the next day. I also check my homework again to make sure everything is complete. Sometimes I watch a short video or read a few pages of a book before sleeping. Finally, it is time to sleep. I brush my teeth and wash my face again. Then I go to my room and turn off the lights. I lie down on my bed and think about the day. I feel thankful for my family, my friends, and my life. Soon my eyes close and I fall asleep. Tomorrow will be another new day with new opportunities and new happiness.